So today we will talk about the assignment 3.3 Hoodie. So in this assignment, in this video, you will see how to attach two pockets to hoodie and how to change the fabric types and color zippers, and you will learn how to create your own design. So if you open your assignment file, you will see the one avatar along with the hoodie and the different pattern pieces of the hoodie on the 2D window. So we will work on the 2D window first. So if you zoom out a little, you will see there is a space on the front side of the hoodie. So we are gonna attach our pocket in this. We are gonna attach our pocket in this space. So in order to know how the measurement of the pocket, we will see the length at first or width of this space. So here we are going to select the edit pattern tools and select one line here. This is 6 inch. So our pocket width should not be higher than 6 inch. So it should be the side or the length should be 6 inch. So here we are going to use the polygon tool and then just click a random point here, and then we will take 6 inch side, and then we can keep 6 inch or more, but I'm gonna keep the 6 inch here. I will make a square 6 inch and 6 inch. So this is one side of the pocket. So we need another pocket. In order to be a full pocket, we need another portion. So I'm gonna copy it and just paste it here. So if we join these two parts, we will get one pocket. So we will insert this pocket to this part of the hoodie. But for this one, again, we are gonna copy both of the pockets and paste it here, right here. So we can see that we have the all the pocket pieces needed. So what we will do, we will just sieve those pocket pieces. So if you see both sides, so in order to see, we have to move these portions to back, just rotate it, then move these pocket portions to the front and move it little upper. Okay, yeah. So now we are going to use the segment swing tool and then sew this part and that part and this part and that part, and at the bottom side this part and that part. Okay, so now again we can move this one here, and then we can move this one here. Now we can just use the segment swing tool here, 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 and then here, here. So we have prepared both of the pockets. Now it's time to insert the pocket. So before inserting, we can see from the 3D window that the space is blocked by these two pieces. So in order to get the sufficient space, we can just delete this part and delete this part. So then we will see the space correctly. And now we can use again the segment sewing. So if you choose this one and this portion and that one to this portion, and just select both of the pattern pieces of pocket, this one and this side, and just keep your cursor here and right click of your mouse. You can see there is an option of superimpose under. So if you choose superimpose under, so it will be inserted in the hoodie. Again, if you choose this one, so again, you have to choose the segment sealing tool. So this one, and if you insert this side, and this one, if you insert the that side, now again, just select this one and that one, and right click, and you will see the superimposed under. And then you just have to simulate, and you will see this gap. You will see that the pocket is in pockets have inserted. So now in order to change the fabric color or cuff color, so you just have to select, just turn off the simulation, select the cuff, this cuff, and you see that cuff is also selected here on the 2D window. So you have this one and that one are the cuffs. So what you can do, you can assign the fabrics. So if you are going to assign this fabric, so for example, if you keep your cursor here, you can see assign to selected patterns. So we are going to, this fabric has assigned for the cups. So in order to change the color, just select the fabric, the default fabric. And if you come to the property editor and go down, you will see the color portions. So if you choose the white portions, and you will get the desert color. So you will have to just change your color based on your requirements. So, okay. So this fabric also assigned to this pattern piece is also assigned to this fabric. That's why it changed the colors. So again, if you choose this sleeve, bird, and assign this fabric, so this fabric, and change the color of the fabric from here again, just choose random dark color here. Okay, so you will see that the sleeve color also changed. And then if you choose this one and that one, the front portions and the back portions, you can keep the white portions, it's not a big deal. And then in order to change the zipper style or zipper material, just zoom in and just select the zipper fabric, and you will see the texture from the property editor. You will see the basic texture and the color. If you want to change the color of the zipper, you can choose it from here. So I'm going to use this color, and then I will press OK. So the color has changed. Now, if you want to change the color of the slider or puller, so or change the types of slider or pullers, you can go select and you can change it from the property editor. So if you can see the shape, slider shape here, so if you choose the shape like this one, and if you change the puller shape to this big one, you will see that the shape and style of puller and slider have changed. Again, if you want to change the zipper style or zipper type, so here if you select and go back to property editor, and if you see that the material and the type here is the fabric matte we are using here, and if you choose metal, you will see there is a metal material inserted in the zipper. So now just simulate and just zoom in, zoom out, and you will see your own style. And if you have any questions, you can reach to us for further information. We will help you out. Thank you so much.